Are your downspouts causing more problems than they're correcting? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about controlling where that water goes right after this. Here at Today's Homeowner, we strive to deliver the most trusted, practical information you need to keep your home looking and running great. That's why we want to hear from you through our listener survey. Whether you'd like to suggest a topic, have a segment idea, or want to let us know how we can improve, we want to hear from you. Each listener who completes our brief survey will be entered to win one of 3 $100 Home Depot gift cards. So head over to todayshomeowner.com/survey now to share your opinions. Gutters and downspouts should move rainwater runoff away from your house so there's no erosion along the drip line of the roof. But if the downspouts don't direct the water far enough away, then you're simply dumping it along the foundation and you're creating even a bigger problem. Soil erosion here can do serious damage, and if there's a basement below it, it only gets worse. Water will find its way inside, creating mold and mildew problems. At the base of each downspout, there should be some sort of control for the water. A concrete or plastic splash block is the simplest form, but for even more control, pick up a flexible plastic downspout extension from the home center. This accordion-style pipe can be manipulated to turn the runoff in any direction you choose. That may include directing it into an underground drain pipe to carry the water to a safer spot. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.